where creativity meets innovation. Welcome to Abu-Zulaikha Tech, where patience inspires innovation and creativity shapes the future.
We are glad to have you here, and you are welcome to today's class. In our today's tutorial series, we are going to learn how to log in to the Google Labs website. Then from there, we are going to now choose the app in question, which is the Google Flow. So don't be surprised that you are seeing me using my mobile phone, though you can still use it on your system. But I just want to know that whatever you are going to use on your system, you are still going to use it on your mobile phone. So make sure you take advantage of that. So don't just wait until you have a laptop before you start doing something. So for the mobile phone, you can go to your Play Store then and install it, as it is known as Flow. Look at it here. So that is the name of the app, as Flow. Then for those that will be using their laptops then or the same mobile phone, then we just need to go to the website. So for the website, you just go to your Google Chrome. Make sure you are using Google Chrome, because I prefer that one, Google Chrome. So then once you open your Google Chrome, then you now enter this website as labs.google. Once you enter labs.google, then the next thing that you need to do is come to these three dots. Come to these three dots. That is for the option. Okay, that is where you are now going to change your display to a desktop site. Then let's now press on the three dot. Then we scroll down. Once we scroll down, then you can see down here as desktop site. Then you just stick it here as I marked mine. Okay, so I hope you are doing that. Then after that, the display will look the same. So it's going to display like this. And if you have your laptop, you can just check around and see whether there is difference between this that you are seeing. Then the best way again is for you to install this as a shortcut. Here we go. Come to the three dot again. Then once you are in the three dots, what did I press? Once you are in the three dots, hey, go away. Once you are here on the option button, then press on the shortcut here, install and create shortcut. So then you now press on that. So let's now press there. Then it will now create a shortcut on your phone. Okay, so you can now see here all this there, blah blah blah. Just say install. So then it will now install it automatic. Don't worry, I will show you where it is. So once the installation is done, you see the notification. Let's now come down here and see. So it has not finished. Okay, let's wait. Okay, I think, okay, we have it here. Once it is installed, you are going to see it here. This is the logo you are going to see. You are going to see it as FX. Do you understand? So if you have it like this, so you don't need to be going to Google Chrome, coming back to and fro. Okay, but let's go back to Google Chrome. Then we are now going to see all the apps for within the Google Labs. Then you will see it displaying here. So they are introducing it for you. We have Pomeli. So what it does, it will be here. Okay, then we have Stitch. Then with their what is it used for. Then we have the Google Flow Music for those that can create music. Then we have Google Flow. So we are going to try Google Flow. Then what you are now going to do, you are just going to press on try now. Here, try it now. Then once you press on try it now, then it will now automatically open the other app, the shortcut that you've installed. So once it is now here, you are now going to see this display. Then the next thing we need to do now is to find where we are going to press create with flow. That is where we are now going to press it. So as you can see it here, we have the plan, create with flow, and other ones. Then you just press on create with flow, so that you will now be asked to log in with your account. So you now wait for it. So the next thing is for you to now select an account. So make sure you have your email login on your phone. So then you now select the email that you are going to use. So it is now then you are now going to see the main background where you are now going to be working on. Okay, now you are welcome to Google Flow. So this is the background, but for you are not going to see any project within it. Okay, in our next episode we are going to learn more about the interface of the Google Flow. Have a wonderful day.
Welcome to Abu-Zulaikha Tech, where patience inspires innovation and creativity shapes the future.